everyone, welcome to my channel Flip Furniture Mama. My name is Maggie. Today's video I'm going to work on these two dresses I have behind me. I bought this set of two dresses on a Facebook marketplace. They are in a great shape. Who's follow me now? A month ago I moved from the state of Maryland to the state of Florida. I'm checking the flip furniture market in Florida. For this set, my idea is turn them in a boho style. I'm going to use different colors, each one and the different stencil. I'm going to add a new base legs and new hardware. Let's go to see what I'm got here, how this turns out, and each one sell better. Let's go to start. As before, I got this set on the Facebook marketplace. They are in a good shape. Has some scratch, but nothing. It's not a big deal. They are solid wood, have a good brand. The drawers works very well. Have this nice, I don't know what it is this, because it's like a little desk in one of the drawers. This is the low dresser. The tall dresser is the same brand, is in the same shape. For this dresser I'm going to use gray, and for the low dresser I'm going to use white. Hi boy, first I'm going to remove the hardware. Sorry guys, I missed to record the first coat of the paint. This is the second coat. I use my custom gray color, and let's do the second coat. Oh boy, I'm going to use these stencils on the front drawers. I'm use chalk paint in color gray. I'm going to apply with the roller.